In upcoming weeks, we have a lot of news to trade. As you can see there, we have Monday ISM service PMI, and we have Tuesday news, and we have FOMC meeting minutes in Thursday, and Friday we have CPI. Okay, very important news, and I just marked there very important and semi important. That means major and semi major news is over here, and we are going to analyze all of thing in this video, and we are going to analyze what is going to happen in upcoming weeks during to Middle East war. And Donald Trump just few hours ago, as you can see there, they just told that Donald Trump told that Tuesday will be power plant day, bridge day. That means they will warp all of Hormuz Strait. Okay, and they just send them a alarming news. Okay, Donald Trump just posted alarming news, so we have to keep our concern on that also. And yesterday Donald Trump also given another tweet on Truth Social, so we have to keep our concern on all of these things. So what is going to happen, or what outcome going to come in upcoming weeks or in upcoming days, we are going to analyze in detail. So I just want to start from economic calendar. And as per you know that we always got two kind of news from the economic calendar. Number one is positive news, number two is negative news. That means positive means stronger for United States dollar, and negative means weaker for United States dollar. That means if any news come with positive data, that means United States dollar is stronger in that news or in that case. And if we got negative data, that means United States dollar weaker than previous. So, and we know that United States dollar and gold always move opposite direction. That means if we got positive thing for United States dollar, we have to do negative for gold. That means if you got positive news, we have to sell gold. If we got negative news, we have to buy gold. Okay, as per you can see there, I just write there a note. And if you want to know why we sell for positive USD news, why we have to buy for negative USD news, please wait, I will discuss about that in next session. That means in end of the video. Okay, so in Monday we got some news. That means ISM service payment news. If we got negative data, that means I'm sorry, if we got positive data, we have to sell gold, and if we got negative data, we have to buy gold. This is the simplest theory, and this is the easy theory. And as per I said before, XAU, that means gold always move opposite direction of USD. That means if we got positive, that means positive value for even United States dollar, we have to sell gold. If we got negative value for United States dollar, we have to buy gold. Okay, this is the simplest thing. You have to keep your concern, or you have to keep your mind on that thing. And there is one more thing over there. That means that kind of news what comes into instantly. That means there can be a attack on Iran, there can be a sanction on Iran, there can be a peace agreement with United States dollar, and I mean USD, or I mean United States and Iran. So if there is any peace agreement, that means we mean sell for gold. Okay, and if there is any war related issue, that means buy for gold. But in that case, you have to keep your concern on oil thing. Okay, as per US oil, okay, US oil agreement, if oil price hike up, United States dollar get stronger. That means if there is more chaos on Hormuz channel, or more chaos on Hormuz Strait, so you have to concern on US oil. That means that directly impact on US oil, and US oil is stronger means United States dollar also got stronger. Okay, and if there is any impact that falls negatively on oil, that means oil price hike up, that means United States dollar also hike up. That means it get its strength. In that case, we have to sell gold. That's why we can see in the market from last few days or past few weeks, market is dropping. You may ask Mr. Boom, why in where situation market is dropping like that? Okay, that means there is related to oil. Okay, oil price going higher, that means United States dollar also getting stronger day by day. And if United States dollar getting stronger day by day, as per I said before, XAU, okay, or gold will drop. Okay, this is the main reason why gold is dropping nowadays. Okay, And I hope that thing is clear now. And let's discuss why for if USD got positive value, that means if USD got positive value, why we sell gold. If USD got negative value, why we buy gold. Okay, why? Okay, let's get that thing in technically. Okay, you have to keep your concern these two thing. Number one is gold value is always fixed, that means this is constant, and currency value can be changed. Okay, gold value is always fixed, and number two is currency value is changeable, that means this is variable. So if we take a reference as gold, if we keep our gold as a reference, in that case what will be happen? Okay, in news, suppose in economic that kind of news, we got 5%. Before that, suppose one triangle of XAUUSD is equal to one triangle of United States dollar. Okay, if gold got, I'm sorry, if United States dollar got 5% strength, that means if just added 5% value on United States dollar, that will be 5% bigger than previous triangle. Okay, previous triangle, that is 5% bigger than previous one. As you can see there is visual bigger from previous one. In that case, gold is weaker than USD. In that case, gold is weaker than USD. In that case, we have to sell gold. And if United States dollar lose its strength minus 5%, that means minus, if we minus 5% from that triangle will be 5% minus or smaller than previous one. In that case, gold is stronger than United States dollar. That's why we took buy entry for negative pressure on United States dollar. Okay, so this is the fundamental thing, this is the core thing. Okay, you have to keep your concern on that thing also. So for upcoming weeks, you have to keep your eyes on Donald Trump. Okay, Donald Trump speaks. Number two is Iranian government. Okay, government speaks. And number three is overall war situation. Okay, you have to keep your concern on that thing also. Okay, and nowadays market is moving 80% fundamentally and 20% technically. Firstly, we have to follow the fundamental thing 80%, and then based on the trend, that means if market trend is only buy, we have to take our buy entry, depend on fundamental and also candle confirmation. So you have to keep your concern on that thing, and you have to combine all of those things, then you should keep trying to take entry, otherwise your entry will fail. Okay, this is the common thing. And one more thing, we are sharing a lot of things and theories and fundamental and technical analysis into our Telegram channel, link in the video description box, so you can check there. If you are new into our YouTube channel, so you may subscribe to get more analysis like that. Okay, so I hope all things clear now. For more query or for free signal or free chart analysis or free news analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel, link in the video description box. Or for more query or for to know our services, you may visit our website www.fxbillionarehub.com. So that's for today. Happy trading, have a nice day.